So tonight is prime time. We got to start priming the drawers and the drawer facings and then the actual built-ins themselves. So we're starting on the facings right now. I'm starting to paint the facings. So I used a drop cloth here, laid it on the floor, and starting to paint. And we're using this Sticks. It's a great primer. Highly recommend it. Alright, drawer facings are done. First prime. Now we gotta go and work on the actual drawers. Okay, so today we are focused on painting. So we're going to be painting the drawers and the drawer facing. There's all the drawers, all 10 of them. There's all our 10 facings all primed. So I'm getting ready to go. Got a drop cloth down here now. So paint. It's pretty chilly out in the garage, so we're going to be painting here downstairs. So got to protect that floor. And we are going to be using the Benjamin Moore Advanced Interior Pearl, I think it is. Yeah, this stuff is great for cabinets and stuff. It's highly durable, prevents scratches, that sort of thing. Perfect for cabinets, drawers, that sort of thing. We'll be using the same paint in the actual closet built-ins as well. There's all the drawers, all 10 of them. Right tick it is, right tick. How nice this goes on. Okay, so facings painted and dried. Just waiting now for install later in the week. And then we got our boxes, drawers, and our facings there as well. So this is basically what they're gonna look like when they're in the closet. They look nice like that. Looks pretty sharp.
Never hit record.
So the first thing about a video is you hit record. Okay, empty closet. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens after.
Never hit record.
So, and now everything is in place. So now that the drawers are done and drawer facings, now we're priming the actual closet built-in. All right, first coat paint starting to come together. All right. Don't get your dryers in a bunch.
For fun, don't we?
Yes.
We're gonna make a bit of noise now with the compressor, alright?
Time for the facings.
Yep. We're gonna make a bit of noise now with the
finish the light sand, and now we're just vacuuming everything out, getting rid of all the dust. Then the final coat of paint. All All right, here's the second one. All done.